In this video, we'll see how to install your WotNot bot on any website using a JavaScript snippet, and this process remains the same across platforms like WordPress, Webflow, Framer, or even a custom website. First, copy the web chat widget installation code. Approach 1. Install the code directly on your website. If your platform allows you to add custom code, you can paste the snippet directly into your site. For example, in Framer, go to Site Settings, then Custom Code. Click the plus icon to add a new script. Give your custom code a name, choose where the code should be placed, and select All Pages. Make sure the Runs on Every Page visit. Now paste the JavaScript snippet and click Add. Once you publish the site, the chat widget will go live. Approach 2. Install using Google Tag Manager. You can also install the widget using Google Tag Manager. In Google Tag Manager, create a new tag, give tag a suitable name, and select Custom HTML. Paste the same JavaScript snippet, set the trigger to all pages, and save the tag. Then click Submit and publish the container. Once published, the WotNot chat widget will start appearing on your website.